Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's episode, I am going to be taking you to this beautiful luxury one-bedroom apartment located in the heart of Johannesburg in the Michelangelo Towers. This apartment is designed for you to have that luxury and contemporary feel, a sublime elegance for you and your family. I'm going to be giving you a tour of this beautiful luxury apartment home, and I hope you enjoy it. Please, if you love content like this, please do leave a comment down below so I know exactly what kind of content to bring to you. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for watching. And for those who are new here, hi, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and also leave a comment down below. Please do not forget to like and share this video as well, as it helps.
Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Party's ISO 2.0. So on today's episode, I'm sharing with you some real estate or beautiful 5-star, 7-star home in Johannesburg, South Africa, and we're here in one of them at the Michelangelo Tower. So AC, I'll be showing you a tour of the property. So AC, come with me. So this is the beautiful balcony. I think we are on the floor is 20th floor, 21 floor, 20th floor, I think, yes. So you can look, I can't really look down. I'm scared. Don't drop my phone, please. I'm scared of height. So come with me. Look at this beautiful place.
Benefit from these expansive living areas, energized by an abundance of natural light coming from the window. Yes. Additional features include a bathroom, walk-in closet, daily housekeeping, a restaurant bar lounge, fully serviced spa, indoor pool, outdoor pool, and breakfast area is available. They got a sauna, a spa, and a gym. A dedicated concierge, fine dining restaurant, luxury Renaissance spa, a boutique fitness center with sauna, heated pool, roof gardens, room services, valet, and chauffeur services. So benefit from this uncompromised convenience with easy access to shopping and entertainment center, as well as prime businesses. It's in walking distance to the Gautrain, the Nelson Mandela Square, Sandton City Shopping Center, Michelangelo Tower Malls, and of course the Sandton Convention Center.
Yeah. Fully functional kitchen. That is true. Beautiful, the finishing, everything. It's immaculate. Look at this wallpaper. So classic. Look at that mirror.
Let me stay with you. In asking you just one night. I know about your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't stop looking at you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't stop looking at you, but do you feel the same, don't you?
Guys. So now we're heading to the bedroom.
There's nobody else.
Is this not a beauty? This is gorgeous. Look at that. The full functional bathroom. Look at that top.
So this brings us to the end of the tour, and I hope you enjoy videos like this. If you do, please give a thumbs up and also like, share and subscribe. Most importantly, leave a comment down below so I know exactly what kind of contents to bring to you. Only from your comment I will be able to know what you like. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, family, for always being there. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything you've been doing so far. Until my next video, bye bye.